Welcome back to this video. In this quick tutorial on Alipay, I'm going to teach you on how to switch to dark mode version in Alipay. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following into this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best you can use Alipay. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to enable dark mode in Alipay. The very first thing you need to do is to simply click on your Alipay. Then after you open up your Alipay, next thing you need to do is to simply click on Accounts. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on this setting icon. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on General. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on Dark Mode right here. So I'm going to click on here. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on Dark Mode. Then after click on Dark Mode, next thing I need to do is to click on Save. So automatically your Alipay is going to switch back to dark mode. If you want to switch back to light mode, it's still the same procedure. So basically, this is how to enable dark mode in Alipay. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial on how best you can use Alipay. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.